Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all for today's video class. Let's start a new lesson today, unit number 5. The lesson name is A Question of Space, written by Neera Kashyap. A question may arise here means what do you mean by a question of space? This lesson demonstrates how self-observation leads to self-improvement and change in attitude. Have a look on the picture, children. There is a boy sitting in front of the books and the thoughts are coming to his mind. What kind of thoughts? In one picture we can see there is a painting and the musical instruments are given. Then in another picture the playing of the people means it's a game. It's about the interests, arts and hobbies. So sitting in front of the books, the boy is thinking of all these kinds of things means about playing, about hobbies, about his interests. It happens, children. As being in a student life means you are a student. If somebody asks you what you want to become in your future, you may directly say that you want to become a doctor or an engineer, or sometimes your decision fluctuates. It for time being you may say you will become a doctor and then it may change. So what happens, children? In this young age, you will not be able to decide what you want to become. See, life is all about a chance and a choice. Okay. If you are going to make a choice, then you have to work hard for that. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible, children. Only thing is you have to put your efforts to achieve your ambition. And how is it possible? It becomes possible only by your hard work and compassion, means by your hard work and dedication. If you are dedicated, if you are having a madness that you will achieve in something in your life, then it is possible, children. Now, here what this lesson tells us, how self-observation leads to self-improvement and change in attitude, means how being in a student life you have to develop self-observation skill and how that self-observation skill makes you to have improvement in yourself. Let's see what Neera Kashyap is trying to give a message, convey a message through this lesson. Despite maintaining a consistent rhythm, Vikrant found himself completely out of breath at the end of the 3.2-kilometer jog. His head pounded with the effort and with thoughts of the pressure his parents were mounting on him to gear up for the medical entrance tests. Still a year and a half away, both successful doctors themselves, his parents were anxious that Vikrant ready himself to cope with the intensely competitive environment that had to be scaled for getting admission to a prestigious medical college. See, the best example here is Three Idiots movie, children. In Three Idiots movie also you might have seen how the parents make them to get admission in the engineering colleges. Then what happens? They get admission, but they on the other side they follow their passion also. They follow their interests, hobbies. I'll discuss this point later. Now here Vikrant is a student of PU1, PU first year. Now he has gone for jogging early in the morning. Then after jogging for 3.2 kilometer, he sat on the bench of the park. He was sitting alone and all the thoughts and the things which were told by his parents were mounting on his head. Means they were harping on his head. And he was thinking what his parents are doctors by profession. Both are doctors. And they are continuously pressurizing him that he should be very successful like them. Yes, it is quite common, children. Every parent will be conscious, means they will be very anxious about regarding the future of their child. They will be thinking they wanted to give best education and best future. That's it. And they try their level best to give every kind of thing to their, to provide every kind of thing to their children, so that their child should get a best position, should settle down in a best position in the future. So here, what the parents were telling, Vikrant's parents were telling to him, they were continuously gearing him up. Means they were forcing him to take medical entrance tests. Means for medical entrance tests, he should have good knowledge, he should study hard for that. Only 6 months were passed for his PU1 admission. Now, being doctors, they know very well what kind of competitive exams he should attempt. So they were helping him. But here, Vikrant was not happy by the suggestions of his parents. He was getting irritated. Yes, we know very well, children, the world here outside, when you see, there is a lot of competition and you have to compete with others. You have to prepare yourself for that competition. And suppose if you become weak in for some extent, so what happens? You will be left behind. It will be not possible for you to clear the competitive exams. So here the parents, Vikrant's parents, were having a dream that he should get admission in prestigious medical college. And for that, what he should do? He should attempt the competitive exams. Then only it will be possible for him to get admission in medical college. Class 11 had started with his mother's constant harping on the importance of the year for getting a good grip on science and maths, for viewing this as a foundation year for class 12, for using this as a practice year for launching into 12th board and medical entrance exams. His father quizzed him constantly on math, physics, biology till his head spun. The conflicts had acquired a distinct edge ever since he had met Anuj, who had spun into his life like a new universe, right here on this jogging track. So it was class 11, and that too when he got admission because of his mother's demand. His mother demanded him to get admission in PU1, and that too he took science subject, children. Why? Because what Vikrant's parents were thinking, if he takes science as a subject, then if he gets a grip on that subject in second year, then if he clears the medical entrance exams, then he will get admission in medical colleges easily. So this was a kind of pressure, a kind of torture, what Vikrant was feeling actually. But it is not a torture, children. What I feel is, here Vikrant's parents are correct in their own place. They are right in their own place. As I told you before, parents, they will be very conscious and they will be very anxious about the future of their children. So they want to give the best education. They try their level best to give everything, to provide everything to their children. And they expect that their child should get a best position in the future. So here his father, his mother were continuously demanding him, they were continuously forcing him to study a lot, to spend a lot of time on maths, physics and biology, and they were telling him to take take admission in coaching classes, so that he should not be left behind in the competitive exams. So there was a conflict going on, there was a fight going on in the mind of Vikrant, what he should do, whether he should listen to his father or to his mother, or he should work on his own interest. Then later he saw another boy, and his name was Anuj. Anuj was not like Vikrant. He was free minded, he was broad minded. And when he saw Anuj, Vikrant saw Anuj, he found that Anuj had spun himself in a new kind of universe. Means he met him in jogging track only, but Anuj was so happy that he was not at all expressing that he is having a kind of tension. Means he is not having tension, children, means he was very happy. By his expressions only Vikrant came to know. Anuj was not just a person with dynamic ideas on photography, on the connectedness between human beings and all other living species, on self improvement as a part of human evolution, on the cosmos. He had turned into a friend very quickly, a much older friend. So soon Vikrant and Anuj became friends. And what Anuj was doing, what was his profession? His profession was photography. And what kind of photography, children? Related to the human beings and other living species. Means here he worked on his interest, and he selected that profession, and nobody forced him, nobody opposed him why he became a photographer. Soon here Vikrant and Anuj became friends. While reading a book borrowed from Anuj and experimenting with Anuj's old Kodak camera, Vikrant knew that his parents had watched his new interest with growing dismay. His class grades had dropped. He had started skipping group tuitions, even extra school classes designed for the weekends. An only child, as tension grew between Vikrant and his parents, so did his identity with Anuj. So what was the drawback here about the friendship of Vikrant and Anuj here? What happened? Slowly Vikrant started to take interest in Anuj's work. Anuj was a photographer. So what Vikrant did, he borrowed the book from Anuj, and he took the camera also, Kodak camera. So all the photographs of, which were taken from Anuj, Vikrant collected all the photographs and all the things what he was experimenting. So he started to take interest in his profession. This made Vikrant's parents to get worried. Why? Because Vikrant's parents were expecting him to get admission in best medical college, and for that reason he made him to get admission in the tuition classes also. But here, when he started to take interest in Anuj's work, he started to drop out the classes. He started to miss the classes. He missed the tuition classes also. So this made to this made the Vikrant's parents to get worried, to get tension. Why his only child is doing like this? They wanted their child to be a doctor like them. Is it possible, children? See, abilities will act different. Your capabilities, you have to work on your strengths, understand your interests, in which thing you are interested. Yes, it is quite common that your parents will be thinking different. Your thinking and your parents' thinking will not match. But you have to speak frankly what you are interested. Then only your parents will also come to know what you are willing to do, what is your ambition, what is your dream. But here Vikrant was not able to speak frankly. He was not speaking openly. Just going on, going on, thinking that his parents are forcing him, his parents are pressuring him, torturing him. Is it right, children? They are not torturing actually. They are conscious because it is a competitive world outside, isn't it? So what Vikrant started to do, he started to missed the classes, the extra classes he missed, then this made the Vikrant's parents to get in tension. What happens next, we will see in the next session, children. Whether Vikrant will miss his classes or whether he will join the classes or whether he will work according to his parents' interest or whether he will work according to his friends' interests. Meet you in the next session. Your homework is to read the lesson and note down the meanings of difficult words. Thank you.